Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to show how to make custom face cupcake toppers using Canva and Cricut. These toppers are always fun, personal and perfect for birthdays, graduation, office party or really any celebration. You can create absolutely any theme you want. In this tutorial I will show how I make graduation theme cupcake toppers using my son's photo. But you can use the same method for any person and any occasion. So let's get started. First I open Canva and create a new design. Then I upload photo what I want to use. The first thing I do is remove the background from the image. So I only keep the face or body that I want for the topper. I click this button to remove background. Canva makes this process super easy. I resize my image and leave just a head. Then I select eraser and will carefully remove the neck. You can always use restore if you delete more images than needed. This is way how I usually do my editing for custom face cupcake toppers. However, in this case, I wasn't happy with the quality of the photo and the angle of the head. So I decided to use Gemini. I wrote out a prompt and here's how it retouched the photo for me. Right now I love the result. Then I again ask to change background to the white. And here we are. I upload this image to the Canva. After the background is removed, now we can decorate the design. Since I'm making graduation toppers, I'm adding graduation caps and trying a few different ideas to see what looks best. You can also add party hats, glasses, bows. Also crowns, stars, balloons, something personal, for example, funny text. It's all up to you. This is the stage where you can really get creative and customize everything you want. I usually test a few different versions before deciding which one I like most. Once the design looks good, I download each design separately. Also, I select the transparent background and after that click download. Next, I open Cricut Design Space and upload my images. I select here flat graphic and add image to our Canva. I resize my toppers. Usually I select 2 inches height for my cupcake toppers. We repeat all the steps with another designs and upload them to the Canva. To make the cupcake toppers look cleaner and more professional, I also add a white outline around each photo using the offset feature inside Cricut Design Space. I think this extra border makes the image stand out and look much better after cutting. I would highly recommend to watch my step-by-step tutorial how I print and cut my images. You can find the link on this tutorial in the description box. As you can see, I repeat all the steps for all my toppers. I create offset, then change to the basic cut, select white color, then flatten 2 layers. After that, I can arrange all my toppers. I like to fit all images efficiently and fit cupcake toppers as much as possible into one sheet. Now my puzzle is ready. I select all toppers and click Attach. Now I send my project to print. I print everything on high quality cardstock photo paper. I personally prefer matte photo paper, but you can also choose a glossy. After printing, I place the sheet onto my Cricut mat and upload it into the machine. Now time to assembling our cupcake toppers. Once everything is cut, I remove the toppers from the mat carefully. Then I attach a small tooth stick to the back using hot glue gun. And that's it, the cupcake toppers are ready to use. I hope this tutorial gave you some inspiration for your next party project. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.